Welcome fellas into this new video tech first. Today let's get started withdrawing money from Binance. So the process actually is not that hard. There are two golden rules of the crypto cash out. Selling your crypto and making a profit is an amazing feeling. So unlike a standard banking application, a single mistake of a crypto exchange can result in your funds being trapped into blockchain. So make sure that you are taking your time to do this process. The first thing I want to do is to clear the verification of the setup headers. Before you can withdraw a single dollar of the area, you need to clear the compliant get keeper. So you wanted to type directly into your profile icon once you signed it in, and make sure that you have now the element that says verification get started. If you don't have your account verified, there is no way of how you can actually withdraw your money from Binance. So this is one of the golden rule, because the legal name into your Binance account must match the name on your destination bank account exactly. If you try to send Binance to withdraw the business bank account a pascal, it will be rejecting it automatically. So we have an actual full tutorial how we can make the full verification of Binance. If you wanted to check that out, there's the link to check that out directly into our channel into YouTube. So once you have your account verified, what you need to do is to locate where your actual money is. To focus into that, the first thing I want to do is to focus into my home dashboard. Directly into my home dashboard, what you can see is that my assets are up here directly inside here, and I have the overview, the estimate total value of what I'm currently having. So if you are into the United States, the process actually is going to be really fast. The only thing you need to do is to choose the element that says of the estimate total value. It doesn't matter what kind of cryptos you currently have with you. What you need to do is to go for the option that says withdrawal. So when you click directly into the element that says withdraw, you can select the actual element that says select the coin, not by first choosing the element that says withdraw fiat. It's going to be really important to choose the element that says withdraw fiat, and once you have chose that element, you choose the element that says the currency. Now basically in my case, into the country that I'm currently living, I choose the element that says currency. I choose the element that says receive the method. Take in mind that the fixed fee will be 23 MXN and up to one business day. Once you choose that element that says continue, what you wanted to do is to choose to create an actual Meta account or Meta account. So basically this is an exclusive services where you can get your own Club A quick and easy, and you can just do this process really fast. This is totally depending into the country you're currently living. If you, for example, don't have that information, you'd have to worry about that. You can get that later on. So in my case, what I'm going to be doing here, just really quick, I'm going to just do this process really fast. And if you want, for example, to do this with USD dollars, you choose your exactly the bank transfer, and the process will be exactly the same. You need to complete your actual address in order to continue. You might be checking out that this, for example, is a little bit blurred because there's just some sensitive content. Once you have finished with this process, the process is going to be really fast. You go for continue, you enter your bank information, and your money will be routed away into your bank account. Once you're finished with this process, you can go directly into the upper side that says the overview of your wallet, so you can focus directly into all your transactions, and you can be checking out directly into the left section here how does the transfer went. It might be taking up to 72 hours for making this specific process, sometimes more, sometimes less. The last solution that I can give you, just in case this process didn't work for you, is that you needed to send your crypto into another crypto place where you can let's say, for example, link your bank information directly inside that. So let's say, for example, that I look out for the element that says crypto and go for Mexican peso, which is the currency that actually works into my country. So in here, I can use options, for example, CoinGecko, I can use Betso, I can use crypto.com, and basically I think Binance is now available into Mexico City and even Revolut. So this totally depending on the country currently living. What you just need to do is to choose your money, your element, and you can just go directly into withdraw. And this time you can go for withdraw crypto, and you wanted to enter the address, the network, and the withdrawal amount you would like to send to the place where you can be receiving your money. For example, into Bitso. I received that crypto into Bitso, and inside Bitso what you can do is to convert your cryptos directly into the currency that your bank allows, so you can be sending that directly into your bank element. And this is for another tutorial. We have that link to the description if you're interested into the second method, because it's a little bit more let's say not that easy, Actually, it's going to be pretty easy, but there's a few steps that you don't want to miss to make this process work really good. So with this being said, guys, we have now reached the very end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time, and well, just let me know in the comments below if this actually worked or it didn't work for you. See you next time.